Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn Maths Mela 3rd Standard, Chapter 1, What's in a Name? Means what is there in a name? Okay, so we'll learn one small story. Through this we can learn maths. Okay, let's see the story. A long time ago, there was a cowherd family in Tarkeshwara. A long time ago, there was a place, Tarkeshwara. In that place, one cowherd family was there. Every day, Deba and Deep took the cows out for grazing. Deba and Deep, they used to take cows for grazing. Grazing means what? To take the cows for eating the grass. Okay. They used to return in the late evening together with all the cows. They used to come late evening, return back to their house with the cows. One day, Deba asked, "How do we know that we have not lost any cows?" She was having one doubt. She asked, "How do we know that we have not lost any cow, whether they missed or all they came together?" Huh? She was having doubt. They did not know how to count. That children were not knowing to count. What could Deba and Deep do? They started thinking, how can we count the cows? How to count that? They were started thinking. Then their friend gave them an idea. Deba and Deep's one of friend, he gave an idea. When you go out, make a mark on the wall for each cow that leaves the gate. Then when you come back, strike out one mark from the wall each time a cow re-enters the gate. So what that friend told? When you will be taking the cows out, when each cow start going outside the gate, you put one line on the wall. When you will return back to house, what you do? When cows will be entering the gate, that time strike one line. Means when cows will be going out, you have to enter the cows numbers. When they will come back to the home, that time they have to cancel one line how the cows enter into the gate. He told like this to count the cows. The next day they followed their friend's idea and all the marks were struck out when they came back home. So how that friend gave idea, like that way they did counting. So all the lines were got marked. So they understood that all the cows reached the house. Did all the cows come back home? Yes, all the cows came back home. So next now, after a few years, they had many more cows. One day, their wall had this many marks when they left home. So after few years, what happened? They were having many cows. One day, their wall was like this. Means these many cows they were having. Okay, when they were leaving the house for grazing. So they had dash cows. So how many cows were there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. How many cows were there? 47 cows were there. So I'll tell you the one easy method to count. See, like this 1, 2, 3. If we start counting, it will take too much time. So easy method is, in one box, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups they had done. So how many 5 counts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 into 9. 5 table. 5 nines are 45. Plus how many cows are there? Extra 2. Plus 2. 45 plus 2 is 47. Like this easily we can count. The next day they returned with the cows. So 47 cows were there. They struck out one mark as each cow re-entered the gate. 2 marks were still left on the wall, but they didn't see any cows outside. They were worried. So 47 cows were there. So when they came next day back to home, they were striking each line like this. So in that, 2 lines were left empty. They did not scratch them because 2 cows were missing. So they saw outside, even outside cows were not there. So they were worried. Why were Deba and Deep worried? How many cows had reached home? So 2 cows were missing. Total how many cows were having? 40 cows they were having. In that, 2 cows were missing. So we have to subtract here. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 as it is. So only 45 cows reached home. Okay. Deba and Deep quickly went to search for the missing cows and found them in a nearby field. They all happily returned home together. So as they saw 2 cows were missing, Deepa and Deep quickly went to search for the missing cows. Then they found that cows in nearby field. Then they came happily back to their home. Their friend Hemant had 36 cows and 23 sheep. So now how they counted their cows, like that only we have to count their friend Hemant's cows and sheep. Okay. In this box we'll make 2 parts. Okay. See, help Hemant keep track of his cows and sheep by making marks like Deba and Deep. How they did, like that only for Hemant also we have to help to do. We should help to do. Okay. So here I'll write cows and sheep. Okay. How many cows are there? 36. So last digit is 36. It will come in 6 table. 6 6 are 36. So I'll make in each group 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 6 are 36. Now how many sheep are there? 23 sheep are there. So 5 5 each group I will make. So 5 4s are 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many are there? 23. So last 3. 1, 2, 3. So Hemant's cow and sheep, how many are there? We made him to understand by drawing the line. So next page, let us do. Some animals and birds got together to play a game. They wanted to make two teams. They decided that the captain of the first team will be the one with the longest name, that is, the one with the most letters. The captain of the second team will be the one with the shortest name, that is, the one with the fewest letter. So, some animals and birds, what they did, they wanted to play a game, so they wanted to make two groups. First group, captain is should have longest name, okay, and second group, captain should have shortest name. In this, longest name means many letters. In which name is there? Elephant, okay. First team leader is elephant. Find out the captain of the two teams. First team is elephant. Letter count. They told to count the letter. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters are there. Now second team, the shortest name we have to find. Shortest name in this is ox. Only 2 letters. OX, ox. Letter count. How many letters are there? 1, 2. 2 letters. Okay. Now next. Who has a longer name? Discuss. My name is longer, he is telling, and my name is longer, he is telling. Okay. Now we'll count. Mahesh and Karthik. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In Mahesh, 6 letters are there. In Karthik, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In Karthik also, 6 letters are there. So, both the names are same. There is no long name or a short name. Both are same. Okay. Now, move to next page. Third one. Write down the names of some of your friends in the space given below and then answer the questions from A to F. Okay. Here there is a place given. In that we have to write our friend's name, that is from A to F. Sorry, we can write any letter names, and below here A to F questions are given. For that we have to answer. Okay. First name I have written here Sarvesh, Samarth, Karthik, Trupti, Yukta, Izan, Guruvansh and Sambram. Okay. Then now we have to answer these questions. Tick the longest names and cross the shortest name. First one. Longest name is which here? Guruvansh. Guruvansh is longest name. So we have to tick here. And shortest name is two are shortest name here. So for this we have to put tick mark. Okay. Now second B. Write the starting letter of your name. I have written here V. So you have to write your starting letter of your name. C. Count all the names that have the same starting letter as yours. So my name I have written here as first letter V. So how many names here starting with V they are asking. Here no one's name is starting with V. So I have written here 0. D. Which starting letter is the most used? Count the names that begin with it. So which of the starting letter is most they are asking, means starting letter of same name, how many are there, they are asking. So here many names are starting with S: Sarvesh, Samarth and Samram. Okay, 3 names are there. So I have written here S and 3. So here I have written S, and how many S names are there? 3 are there. E. Count the names with the same ending letter. So ending letter whose name means how many names are having same ending letter, we have to count and write here. So H, counting last letter H, here also H and here H. 3 names are having same ending letter. Okay, 3 I have written here and that 3 names I have written here. Okay, next F. Write the letters that are not the starting letter of anyone. So whatever names I have written here, leaving that letters, remaining letters we have to write here. So D, C, B and F, these name letters are not there in this. Okay, starting with these letters there is no names in this. So apart from this, how many letters are there, you have to write here. I have written for example 4 here, remaining letters you have to write down. Okay, now next page, we'll move to next page. Fourth one, Teji and Jojo are making numbers using these cards. Okay, these are Teju and Jojo, both are friends. They are having cards. Using these cards, they are making the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this numbers cards they are having. Both of them are having numbers. So using that they are making the numbers. Teji makes her roll number 43 like this. Its number name has 10 letters. She made her roll number 43 with these numbers. So that number has 10 letters. Here written see 43. So in this 43 how many letters are there, count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have written here 10 letters. So next Jojo. Jojo makes his roll number 17 like this. Its number name has dash letters. 17 his roll number. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to write here 9 letters. Okay. Next, A. Write your roll number using the number cards as shown above. Number cards are given at the end of the book. Okay. So with that cards we have to make our roll number. So my roll number is 9. I have written here. So 9 and that spelling 9 we have to write here and count. How many are there letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. Its number name has 4 letters. Okay. So you also write your roll number and how many letters are there in that number you have to write here. B. Write some numbers and their number names in your notebook. How many letters does each have? Okay, so we have to write here 1, 2, 3 numbers. For that we have to write name also. Then we have to count how many letters are there in that. Okay, 6 I have written. 6 spelling. In that how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 I have written. Then next 20. TWENTY. 20 spelling. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 number. Now let us think. Next one. Let us think. Teji and Jojo made the number 56. It has 8 letters. Write other numbers between 1 and 19 that have 8 letters. So they have written 56 here. Okay. It has 8 letters. So same way we have to write remaining numbers that are having 8 letters from 1 to 19, and any number we can write. Okay. First one I have written 42, 56, 62, 52, 13, 46. These numbers are having 8 letters. Okay. You can write different number also, students. Okay. Now let's move to next page. Let us do. Write the numbers between 1 and 99 that have the longest name. 98, 87, 78. Find out. My number name has 2 words. The first word has 6 letters. The second word has 5 letters. I am very near to 100. Who am I? So, to know this number, you have to write near the numbers who are near to 100. Okay. So, by seeing that, we have to count first word 6 letters and second word 5 letters. Then we'll come to know that 98 is that number. Okay. Next one, find out. My friends and I are the numbers from 63 to 78. My number name is the smallest among all my friends. Who am I? So 63 to 78 numbers are there now, children. In that, shortest name we have to write. Okay. So to know that, you have to write from 63 to 78 numbers. From that, otherwise you should know the spellings. From 63 to 78, you start counting the letters. Then you will come to know that 78 is the smallest number. 70 is the smallest number in 63 to 78. So next, 2. Make similar puzzles of your own in your notebook and ask your classmate. Here, Venkata Narasimha Raja Varipeta is the place in India with the longest name. It is located in Andhra Pradesh, close to the border of Tamil Nadu. IB in Odisha and OD in Gujarat are the places in India with the shortest name. They may ask you as longest name place in India, where it is, and shortest name where. Okay, you should know this. Teji and Jojo have some picture cards. Teji has put these into 2 groups like this. So Teji was having some cards. She made 2 groups. She has grouped the cards into those that eat food and those that don't eat food. Jojo has arranged the same cards differently. So, here Teji had made separately the cards, means the things which are having food and the things which don't have food. Like that she had made the group. But Jojo also made in different way. So how he made, we have to write here. So Jojo had made those who fly, those who don't fly. Like this he had made the groups. What is common in each of the groups Jojo has made? What is the common? Animals are present in both the groups. So it is common. Given below are pictures of some household objects. Here some household objects are given. Okay. Write the names of the above objects in the 2 groups given below. Things that need electricity, things that don't need electricity. The things, whatever household objects here given, we have to make them separately, different groups. Things that need electricity and things that don't need electricity. So TV, lamp, fan, these need electricity. Okay? And bed, pillow, blanket, chair, clock, these don't need electricity. Okay? Now this is last activity, children. Okay? Group the objects given above differently. Write them down in the space below. So whatever that things were there, household things, that we have to make different groups using our idea. Okay? So what I made, things on which we sleep, things that we don't need to sleep. Things on which we sleep and things that we don't need to sleep. So here, bed, pillow, blanket, we need to sleep. TV, chair, clock, fan and lamp, if we don't have also, we can sleep. Okay? Now next, let us do hairstyles. Mala is going to school. Her mother has combed her hair. Mala has 2 ponytails. Look at the children in your class. All children comb their hair in different ways. Look and write down. Here see hairstyles given. Such hairstyle in your class, how many children had done? You have to write their names. So according to me, in my class, how many children were having such hairstyle? I wrote here numbers. So even you have to write names. Numbers. Okay? If you understood this lesson, like, share and subscribe to my channel. So follow more for such learning videos, children. Thank you. Bye bye.